Yo, ebusia King Kobe King to the Kobe Yenshe Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the big game Ebaso Berekum Golden City Park na Kotoko. Yes, yeah, back into this game. Ghana Premier League match week 26. What I see now, we are coming to this game. In the fourth position on the league log. Ocean League table now. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the fourth position with 39 points plus 12 goals. After 25 games, Kotoko winning 10. Ya draw 9 and you lose 6. Ya share 33 goals and Kotoko a concede 21 goals. And see the difference of goals na Kotoko. There were 12 goals, which is very positive. Almost saying in terms of goals Berekum United and our plus 14 goals. Aduana Stars the first our 44 points, but on our plus 9 goals. Berekum United with 41 points and our plus 14 goals. Third position Mediama or 41 plus 7 goals. Kotoko the fourth 39 points plus 12 goals. I had to folk the fifth or 39 points plus 3 goals. And Berekum Gold Stars that's it with 38 plus 6 goals. Sanity Honti Mensa aka the official lineup no Kotoko they will be in today's game against Berekum Chelsea. We are hoping for nothing but a win. So there be chances of retaining the league and defending the league title no a bit to me akosrona I high what I say. Sisi Kotoko nsensema e wo club no mu doso. Dr. Kwame Chinsem na Amponsan sem ebisi dissolve board no ebisi dissolve management a whole lot of issues. But it mean we need game where ebema nerves will calm down. And nsem na ekoba he na etu betwa. De bia meka se Kotoko ye win game and ekofa sansensem we edeba. Ye nya win game pe na sansem we nyina akoda. Na it is a problem na ya na ehyew but emma se Kotoko enya win game pe na problems na akoda. Kotoko nya mpo draw lose game pe na sansem we nyina so de what I say. Especially last season Kotoko edge league no. What I say? In some way, I'm sure I'm massa. I'm sure I'm check what I say because Kotoko the team was good. They were playing really well, and they made the fans very happy. Omopa Parker, Omo players on the show. What I say, Fabio Gama or Mbela or Ibrahim Muro or Mudasiru. I mean, the players were there, but now upon Sunday, make an mention and supporting Oniska in terms of Tom players and the Riziska. And the sign will be a bentino. What from Tom players no. I'm at this season. In why day kakra Eddie Kotoko Bobo Kono. But so players no more fighting to defend the league title. A moon I day Indiana Stars or my imagine said this is in the Omo Magaba or more even though more form and papa. But yana yes your team no papa antino. Kakra official lineup Coach Abdul Ghazali or the Kwako Grim Ewo to this afternoon game against Berekum Chelsea Ewo Berekum. Yenshe goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim and I was selected so but them me probable lineup me for Frederick Asare but the new players now new performance now we choose Danlad Ibrahim. Yes. August in Japan right back John Tedeku Woho Sherif Mohammed Onimu Alasan and Airbo 4 and 5. Sherif Mohammed Senior a better middle now wait to me wide defensive midfield role. Rocky Jamana Abba back to the starting lineup. Richmond Lamptey and so Ejin Georges Infege Isaac Opon Stevie Mukwala Omunyina and start game. Patron Bomma Danlad Ibrahim August in Japan John Tedeku Sherif Mohammed Mo Alasan what I say Sherif Mohammed Bim Rocky Jamana Nicola Richmond Lamptey yes Georges Infege Isaac Opon and Steve Mukwala we and Coach Abdul Ghazali or the Kwako game against Berekum Chelsea and then area 3 p.m. Berekum Golden City Park a game a very tough one because no edge and so Kwako family into sanity. Let's see say boys no bit me a good results at the Berekum Golden City Park makada da said Doma Berekum Berekum and one day a hobo egging papa because of call their massa. I don't know. Minim the shake ground so by hobo day, especially to Kotoko. But let's the vampire one town which is saying they'll meet me a good results. It's me Eddie if you Eddie Abaja comment. Our comment section, I see, and I can copy me the abroad the official starting lineup. Yemfa bibia NCSA mesan abebi with more stories. Midin ele kin copy. Unsubscribe and patch press the subscribe button na fama me. And the game na ye kum no. Enya dia D'Souza obekobi because of injury. We pra Justice Blay nim, Nicholas Osebonsunsu nim, Rashid Notinsu nim. And omonso a omonkobi due to accumulated cars and so on. There were agadas or only because of accumulated cars. Sansana yewo Eric Zeze also accumulated cars also need team enti the Monday Econo and I made bro here and 20-man squad. My phone says for Porcupines by Porcupines.